Name is DrRic Saguil.
And action. Hey, Jay, this is Excursion. And action. Hey everyone, it's DrRic. So I've had a few people asking where they could find me and how do they get to see me. And I have apologized. I honestly, from the bottom of my heart, I really apologize for the abrupt leaving, but I will, if you haven't watched my videos, you should watch my videos, especially Quantum Shift. So this has been coming. So those of you who attended my Ignite Your Life conference in January, thank you. The Ignite Your Life conference at the Endorphin Effect in February, thank you. But I think you knew that I was on the verge of being very frustrated then. Well, frustration is the least of what I was. This was just the universe telling me, kicking me in the butt to get out, and I have gotten out. But you know what? I am not worried. I'm going to be filing for unemployment, but I'm not worried. So anyway, more to be revealed in the coming weeks. However, for those of you who do want to consult me for a lifestyle change, you do not have to be a physician to do lifestyle changes and help with exercise, help with nutrition, help with mindful practice, help with suggesting some supplement changes. Don't have to be a doctor for that. I am very good at that. So I am now CoachRic at the Endorphin Effect. So this is how you're going to find me. So this is my website, herbal411.com, HERBAL 411.com. If you bring that up, you'll see there's a couple of choices. Herbal 411, that's about me. That's pictures of my two offices. One office, I kind of do medical cannabis in Hoffman Estates. The other office is my lifestyle clinic office in Bartlett, across the driveway from my Bartlett office. But I'm not practicing medicine there. Testimonials gallery, a blog that I just restarted because I had a lot on my mind, and I still do. So I'm going to be over inundating you guys with my videos because I got a lot of free time now. My videos, that's the YouTube link, and then events. So next event, by the way, is this one. So I'm going to be taking folks to Devil's Lake to see the fall colors in October. However, listen, this will be an open Q&A for anybody. So you don't have to just go for learning how to hike. I mean, honestly, to get you to any place of a summit, whether it's Colorado in 2021 or Devil's Lake in October, or to the Endorphin Effect for working out. Those are all summits. And sometimes just getting the mechanics down and understanding the pattern of what you have to do. I'm going to do that in my event, so please try to sign up. It'll be informative. I'm not just going to talk about what to use as a backpack, how to use hiking sticks. I mean, that I'll cover in about 5 minutes, but the rest of it will be beautiful for the exchange of Q&A. How do I get healthy? Is walking around the block just as good as walking in Devil's Lake? What do I wear? When do I drink? What kind of supplements do I need? If I don't walk, what else can I do? So this is open. This is the Q&A for you guys. I just happen to love hiking, and I'd love to take some of you to Devil's Lake. Whether you go or not, it's totally up to you, but it's just the camaraderie. So sign up. There's only 50 people allowed at the Endorphin Effect, but this is the Eventbrite. So you can get to that link by clicking on Herbal 411 Events. So I know that you're trying to reach me. I'll get to that right now. So my black box is here. Medical cannabis, Prolon box store, and then lifestyle coaching. So click on the lifestyle coaching, and it brings you to this page. So I did a little video on what lifestyle coaching entails. We'll scroll down. This is just a description. This is if you like what you see, you want to schedule, just click on the green box. So I was trying to scroll up here. So this is essentially what the packages are that I have to offer. Unfortunately, I cannot take insurance, but I'm trying to devise a way that possibly will take HSA or FSA, health savings account, or flex spending account. But you have to have your doctor give you a note saying that you have to see me for a consult. So the system that I left is going to be supporting me still. Anyway, so lifestyle coaching, I think it's fair, $300 for an hour and a half. That's fair compared to other guys who charge more and probably don't have the same knowledge base. Or an annual fee. Now, if you get the annual fee, it's $1,000 over a course of a year, but I've broken it down into quarters. $250 a quarter, I think that's fair too. And then you get to bother me as often as you want. Not at night. I'm not on call. So that's one good thing about being unemployed. I'm not on call anymore. So other things I'm going to be offering for people or members of the Endorphin Effect, I'm going to be offering acupuncture at a discounted rate. You might want to join if you don't have a place that you exercise. Come to the Endorphin Effect. It's a training center to train you to be bulletproof to disease. Also to train you for an event, but I'm going to be there to throw in my 2 cents and give everybody an option to get healthier faster. So I'll also be having, as I mentioned, the Hiking Excursion 2021, and that's going to be commitment. So it's going to be about a 6-month commitment. I'm shooting for July. We're going to have Miwa do the yoga portion. I'm going to do the hiking portion. I'm going to walk and talk. Thinking about having a cook too. We'll see. And then another dedicated hiker who I'll be the sweeper in the back. He'll probably be the lead. He's also trained. I'm trained in wilderness first aid. He's trained in wilderness medicine, emergency response. So you'll be safe. And I'll probably have a few nurses and medical assistants on board too. So you'll be safe. It will be awesome. So sign up. If you don't make it, that's cool. Just train. So it's going to be commitment though. And this is just my last quantum shift. So if you decide that this is the way to go, and I understand that this might not be the best time, but you have to change that paradigm. Sometimes when you don't have money and then you're putting more and more time and effort into medical disease, time is money. The more you spend in the hospital, the more you spend at the doctor's office, the more suffering you have, the more prescriptions you get, the more copays you pay. If that's going to be an investment, then that's fair. Just take care of yourself, but try to invest in a different way. Preemptive strike disease before it kills you or maims you. So if you decide, then you press on the green button and it takes you to scheduling. So you just pick one of these 2 things. I'm going to say lifestyle consult, and it gives you the package. Just pick on the package and confirm appointment. Video call. So you click on this. You say video or phone call. Some of you we can work with the video. Even if you don't like this video, I'll Zoom you and we'll still do video. I think video will be the way to go. And you click on appointment and there you go. So here are the available spots. You can't really see it here, but you have available spots on the 18th, 19th, 22nd in a different color. I'm not sure if you'll see it, but they highlight as blue circles. Those are the availables. You just press on, so I'll say the 18th. I press on the 18th. These are the times that come up. And then I just say, okay, 9:30 a.m., I'm going to pick that guy. And confirm date and time, bingo. And then you just have to fill in your name, last name, email, phone number, reason, scroll up. And then you have to leave a card. Now, theoretically, you don't have to be charged until we meet. I've had some people, especially for the $250 a quarter commitment, they've went ahead and paid. So I'll leave it up to you. I do not think they require you to pay anything, but it says buy now. So I'm not going to be able to leave a card because it's going to say I have to fill this stuff out. And that's pretty much what you have. Once you hit buy now, it'll confirm, send you an email confirmation, or one of the staff members, Samantha, or one of the staff members will send you a confirmation that we have an appointment scheduled for the 18th at 9:30. And that's the way it goes. And then at 9:30, another reminder is sent that morning or the night before, your appointment's this time. And then you will see me on this app. It opens up, the Get Healthy app, it opens up, and then there's an option to wait for video call, and there you go. So then we meet again. Now, if you would rather do in person, I'm going to have options for in person, but at this point in time, I'm still building up my office at the Endorphin Effect. So in time I will, especially with the acupuncture. So I'll have that as a third option. I hope this gives you a couple of ideas. I've left the building, but I have not left the planet. In fact, I have reinforced my footprint on the planet in a different way, and I really feel empowered to do this for my folks. When COVID started, I was doing this for a lot of people outside of Illinois, And I was able to make some changes with these folks. And it also helped me practice the onboarding with regards to video. Hopefully this is effortless for you guys. That's what we want. There should be bite-sized, easy access ways to stay healthy. The first way is to make sure you have a relationship with a doctor. Even if it's not me, challenge your doctors. See who we have available in the neighborhood. Look at their reviews. See what their philosophies are. And then bring them some questions. Anytime anybody gives you a prescription, whether it's an immediate care center because you're sick or your new primary care doctor, always say thank you very much. Hey doc, by the way, what can I do to potentially get off of this medicine in a couple of years? And hopefully they'll give you good advice. If he says, no, you have to be on it, or doesn't answer your question, I have actually had some doctors walk out. I've heard patients complain that as they were answering the question, they're walking out of the room. That's freaking rude. Don't ever tolerate that. So you have a right, you always have a choice. There's a lot of doctors out there. Most of them are the same, status quo. Some of them are outstanding, and some of those outstanding folks are my friends. So you always have a choice. You should stick up for your rights. You should be well-read. You should be an advocate for your own health. Whoever you're caregiving for, be an advocate for their health too, and empower yourself to change. Thank you for watching up until this point. If you have any questions or comments, put them down below. Otherwise, I'll see you one of these days.